Well, folks, my '05 F-150 is back in the garage. Inspection's due the end of this month. And like everything, it decided it was going to have an electrical issue. The front right turn signal stopped working. I thought it was just a bulb. What comes to find out, it's not just a bulb. Let me turn this down a little bit. We work to a church in this garage. And yeah, it's not the bulb. So we are going to do a little more dissecting on it. The hazard lights work, back lights work, left side works. Only thing that does not work is that pesky little bulb over there. But we'll get it figured out. It doesn't upset me now. The truck has 330,000 plus on it. Very little issues ever from it. I work it, so it is what it is. We'll get it figured out though, and we'll see what's wrong with it. I'm going to hook the scan tool up to it and see if it reads anything on that. It might pop up a little something in the body codes. We've had body codes in this thing in the past. Where the airbags and ABS, blah, blah, bull crap on it. But, yep, we'll go from there later, folks.